Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to transfer PlaySafeCard to PayPal. So guys, let's get started. So for the first one guys is simply verify your accounts. So first make sure both of your PlaySafeCard and PayPal accounts are updated and verified, and this will ensure a smoother transfer. Next up is using authorized partners. So guys, since PlaySafe cards can't be directly linked to PayPal, just simply use authorized partner sites like Dundle or other services to convert your PlaySafe card balance into a format compatible with PayPal. The steps with Dundle, just simply open a site like Dundle and choose Play Safe Card. And after that, just simply follow the prompts to convert your balance and just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And then you can use this balance to pay through PayPal. And guys, another alternative way, if you can't use your PlaySafe card online, consider just simply cashing out or contacting PlaySafe support for refund options, and then add this money to your PayPal account by linking your bank or credit or debit card. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya!